Hey there, I'm Bobby, Nevada, Missouri, and I just have to tell you that I'm so happy to have you here, and I want to share something with you. I have a new laptop that my nephew instructed me to purchase. I just got it in, and the video was all red, and I'm like, what in the heck is going on? Well, I needed to take a label off of the camera, so I got that done. Anyway, thank you, Nick, for recommending what I needed to get because my other computer was kind of like out of sync. Anyway, I just have to say that I want to educate you on an opportunity of a lifetime. You know, many of you may be tired of being sick, or kids having different issues going on and you're not prepared with natural solutions, or you go to a medical professional and they want to put you on yet another prescription. We have some alternative options, and that is doTERRA essential oils. If you are not aware, they are the largest essential oil company in the world because of the number of tests they do on each plant that is harvested. Many of our oils are ingestible. You can use them all topical. You can use them all in a diffuser. You can see I've got a diffuser going here. I just want to let you know that they do have an oil collector kit, and many of you have gotten started with doTERRA, bringing it into your home, whether or not it's for oral care, skin care, hair care, spa care, health care. We are a healthcare company, and we do have everything you need. You don't have to keep making the big box stores rich. You can start ordering from yourself simply by getting your own account, which now is free to do. But I have to let you know, you can get 82 products for the low amount of $19.99. That's $1,999. Yep, that's a big investment. But oh my gosh, will you see some results throughout the year? Like less times to the clinic, less times to calling the doctor. You've got natural solutions in your arsenal or medicine cabinet or drawers or in your car, in your backpacks, gym bag, carrying with you everywhere. So there's 82 products for $19.99. It's a savings of over $1,000. I'm throwing in a book, so how about $1,049? But you get things like frankincense and yarrow palm, Melissa, great for emotions. Frankincense, by the way, is one of those, if in doubt, pull out frankincense, whether or not it's emotions, skin issues, anything, pull out frankincense. Some of the other ones, yarrow palm, great skin oils. I use it daily. Helichrysum, great to stop any wounds or help. We aren't supposed to talk about healing properties, but that is doTERRA's mission, to heal everybody in the world. So one drop, one day at a time. We've got arbor vitae, basil, bergamot, black pepper, blue tansy. Blue tansy is another one. So when you're getting 82 products for $19.99, some of these products normally retail $93, $78, $82, $105. And essential oils are not expensive. They're pennies per drop. How about Rose Touch? You know anything about vibrations? Everything you touch, feel, eat, and drink has a vibration. Rose has the highest in the universe, 320 megahertz, as a matter of fact. So, yes, good stuff, good products. God put the plants on the ground for us to use. We should use them. And doTERRA provides these products for us in a pure and potent way. They are the most tested and trusted. They are the largest essential oil company in the world. This is your opportunity to get 83 products for $19.99. Let me know if you're interested. You can go to referral.doterra.me 479608 and get started right away. Or you can give me a buzz and I can have a little care package for you to give you some extra goodies. Just wanted to say hi. If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired and not having any energy, or you've got kids with ear issues, throat issues, immune issues, you got autoimmune issues, we got some answers. Give me a call, 417-321-0835.